Hey, what's up guys? Michael here with WarpDriveM. Welcome to a new episode. In today's episode we are going to finish the e46 and sadly we have to quickly sell the car, and I mean quickly because I have 2 weeks time in order to take everything out from here. Yeah, we have to take everything, the car, this wood structure, yeah, everything, all the parts, because we are building the new garage. I talked with my construction guy, and in 2 weeks time it will be here, and we are going to close everything that's in here. Yeah, we are going to close from there, yeah, till here. We are going to close everything in here. Yeah, it will be a big garage. But that's in the next episode maybe. But in this episode we are going to clean everything, all the car. We are going to wash inside and outside. I already started to clean the wheels. Check this out, these are like brand new. Yeah, I've cleaned for 4 or 5 hours these 2 wheels, because here this one is completely washed. Yeah, but you cannot take this anymore. Yeah, it's beyond washing, beyond that step. This WD-40 with 2000 grit sandpaper, yeah, in here, and I have to sand all that material, and after that I'm going to buff the wheels, yeah, because it might leave some scratches, the sandpaper. But these 2 ones are ready. I know are not perfect, but are in very good shape. Yeah, from this to this, yeah, it's a big difference. Sadly, we don't have time to make this rust, and I say it sadly because I'm gonna try to sell the car as is now, because it's perfect. It has inspection, runs, everything's okay. But if I won't sell the car in these 2 weeks, I have to park the car somewhere, and we are going to do those repairs after I have the garage closed. Yeah, let's start cleaning these wheels. Let's cut this exhaust because we have to throw everything that's trash from here, everything. Yeah, and yeah, let's clean the car. This wheel and this one are giving me some trouble. I sand it for hours, but in here I cannot take those out. Are like rock, yeah, so hard stuff in there. I'm going to leave it sink in a little bit, yeah, with WD-40, and in the meanwhile we are going to clean the car. I'm not sure if I have enough time to take out this door panel in order to try to repair this dent, or to leave it like this and try to sell the car like this. It's a tough one. You will see in the next footage if I'm going to remove the door or not. That's about it with the door repair, because I cannot do better than this. I don't have access in here from the inside. Yeah, I've tried, but this part is straight now. Just in here we have a dent. It's gonna remain like this because I don't want to make it worse than this. I've put everything back together in here. Yeah, I have some water in there. Like I said, this will remain as is. And here on the inside, yeah, I've put a foam in here. I just have to put some glue because I don't want to take this out when you take the cover. And I'm going to paint this black. Yeah, we have new carpets now. Yeah, on the other side as well. Everything is done on the inside. Yeah. Can you believe that these are the same wheels that came with the car? Yeah, but check this out, my hands are hurting. Yeah, I've cleaned all 4 wheels. It took me 2 days or 3, I think, but are completely clean. Let me give you a closer look. See that? Perfect. Perfect. Not quite perfect, this one. And perfect. We have now like a new set of wheels for this car. Now I'm going to install on the car, and I think we just have to wash the car exterior and we are done. The wheels are installed back and front, yeah, but to my surprise it looks quite good, yeah, with clean wheels and everything. So this car is done. Oh yeah, we have to wash the car, of course. So we are first time on the road with the e46. We are going to test if everything works. We are going to buy some gas, I think. And for now everything seems to work just fine. I think I hear something in the back on the left side on the wheel. I think maybe a bushing or something like that, but other than that everything is okay. We don't have any kind of strange noises from the engine compartment. Brakes are fine. Yeah. I think I have to set the lights because they're too low. Bought some gas, yeah, just a little bit because we are going to sell the car. I said about the noise in the back, it was in fact the brakes because the car was sitting. After I've used the brakes for a few times, we don't have any kind of noise from the car, back or front, it doesn't matter. We don't have any kind of noise. I can feel how the suspension now is in good shape because we have new control arm, sway bar links new, everything is okay. Just what I've noticed is just I think the right side, the headlight from the right side, it should be a little bit aligned, but other than that, car runs wirklich. I said something German. The car drives normal and the engine is very good for 350,000 kilometers. Is crazy how good this engine works. Oh yeah, and I washed the car. I didn't have the camera with me because Kiki is filming now. And I washed the car. I'm gonna show you at home. We have to wipe the car because we have just 1.5 degrees, so on the night time it's going to freeze everything, and we have to wipe the car now. But first we have to drive home. Yeah, so I'm gonna catch you home. Check this out, it is done, it's complete. Yeah, the car looks really good. The wheels, yeah, I'm really proud of the work that I've done in here. It's completely washed, everything looks great, yeah, and perfect in fact for a 400 euro car. Yeah, it's like another car. Oh yeah, let me show you the interior now. And sadly we have this dent on the door. Check this out. We have a carpet now. I repaired that underneath. Everything is clean, wiped. Looks really good. And of course the car drives normal, like a normal car. Yeah, sadly I don't have time to do this rust in here and here. But other than that, the car is perfect. It is done, boys. So sadly, like I've said in the beginning of the video, I have to sell the car because in 2 weeks time I have to remove everything from here in order to start building the garage, and that's why we need to sell the car, because I don't have any park place to put the car. On the other side I have the E61, the E90, the wife's car, and I really don't have any space. So yeah, I think this is the last video with the car. You saw I've test drive the car, everything works just fine. Now it's going to be up for sale, and yeah, in the next episode we are going to start building the garage. So anyway, I'm really proud of the end result and the car. The car looks great, and this will be a good car for somebody because works perfect. If you like this episode, please give me a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, thumbs down. Until next time, see you later.